27, time for Ask Andrew.
Andrew is taking all of your questions and answering them with his excellent expertise. So Andrew, what are we asking you about this week?
Yeah, this week we get a little peek into some chemistry, if you will. A lot of us have some ice on our sidewalks, and even some of the roadways still have some ice on there too. So Jennifer from Reynolds wanted to know, are salt and ice melt the only ways that we can actually melt that ice? And actually the answer is no, there's some alternatives, but let's go over what road salt is, and more importantly, salt that we usually use on our sidewalks. Well, it's very corrosive, which of course is why we rush to that car wash so quickly after we get a snow here. It's bad for the environment, it goes into our rivers and streams, and yeah, it can do a lot of damage there. It's also not pet friendly too, especially with our dogs. It can really give them problems on their paw pads. Yeah, that dog's not very happy because he's been in a lot of salt. So let's get him out of that. And what are some of the alternatives that we can use? One of them is actually sand. You may see some of the more rural parts of our communities use some sand for traction, but actually when the sun's out and the sand color is dark enough, that can actually start to melt some of the snow. Same thing with coffee grounds. It only works in the sun because it's a dark colored item and it picks up more of the sun's energy. You can also use a mixture though of vinegar and dish soap. And if you happen to have this sugar beet juice, because I know everybody's got that in their fridge, you can still get some of that, by the way. But yeah, that's another alternative you can use too. Now I'll post the recipe for that vinegar and dish soap mixture coming up just before the 11 o'clock hour, and you can find that at WQAD.com. Easiest way to do that, hit the search icon, type in Ask Andrew. You'll see today's answer, plus you'll have the opportunity to submit your own answer as well. We've got 3 things you need to know on this Monday morning coming your way right after this.